Hello everyone, welcome back in the next video of object oriented programming series. Huge inheritance so you don't repeat yourself is the topic for this video. There is a principle in programming called don't repeat yourself or die. The reason repeated code is a problem is because any change requires fixing codes in multiple places. This usually means more work for programmers and more room for errors. Notice in the example below that the describe method is shared by bird and dog. When we check for bird.prototype, then we can see that describe property is here also and describe property is here also, and both have the same function but written at two different places. The describe method is repeated in two places. The code can be edited to follow the try principle by creating a super type called animal. Function animal now right now it's empty, and when we use animal.prototype and pass in constructor animal and then the describe method here, since animal includes the describe method, you can remove it from bird and dog. Now we can see the bird and dog constructor are better than previously defined bird.prototype or dog.prototype. Task for this challenge: the eat method is repeated in both cat and bear. Edit the code in the spirit of dry by moving the edit method to animal supertype. In that case, we have a function, means we have a constructor named animal, and we use animal.prototype for the method of it, and we will just copy and paste in here the method, and now we can remove it from here and here. Let's run the tests, and it's successful. Download my solution, and thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.